1995, 300 pounds, I gotta board a plane. I made a tater tot casserole on my live tonight, and thank you, Tevin, honey, for coming and hanging out with me the whole hour. That meant a lot. Senior trip, we're flying to New York City, and I'm 300 plus pounds. The days leading up to the trip, I was really nervous. I was really anxious. I do suffer with depression and anxiety, and I have my bouts with it. And my anxiety was really high because I kept thinking, what if they realize I only bought one seat and they tell me I'm too big and I got to buy a second seat? How embarrassed will I be? Or B, is the seatbelt going to fit? And am I going to have to get an extender? What if I'm stuck in the middle and I'm heavier, so I'm a bigger girl, and now I'm half in their seat and half in their seat, and I was driving myself crazy. The day of the trip comes. We're leaving 5 a.m., early flight. Get to the counter, and I'm fine. I don't exceed the needing to ticket limit. Okay, battle one, we're through. Back then, they didn't have security and all that, so at least I was safe. I didn't have to take my shoes off, thank God, because I was still dealing with stinky feet at that time. Don't get it twisted, though. I don't have stinky feet today. So there was no security or none of that. So we get there. We get up there. I'm looking at my seat, and I'm like, this was back before you get to pick your seats. You didn't pick your seats. The stewardess handed you a seat. I'm stuck in the middle. My worst nightmare. I'm in the middle. I get to my seat. I'm in the middle, of course, but the good thing was my girlfriend was on the side of me, so I could lean a little bit. You know, when it's somebody you're okay to lean a little bit, but not if it's a complete stranger. So I was able to give the person against the window a little more access. Go to get my seatbelt on. Oh, no. We're like this again. It ain't gonna happen. So I'm like, I'll just be slick. I'm just gonna pull my shirt out. I'll tuck it under my shirt a little bit. They'll never be the wiser. Wrong. A stewardess comes down there. Miss, lift your shirt up. We need to lift your shirt. Is your seatbelt buckled? No. She looks at me, she's like, oh, Carol! Now I'm in the back of the plane and she's hollering, Carol, we need a seat extender. Carol, right here, aisle 22. Well, now the whole plane turns to look at the back of the plane to see the fat girl who needs the extender. Oh, look, now all my classmates. Moral of the story, if you need a seat extender, ask the stewardess as soon as you come on the plane so she doesn't announce it to everybody, or go buy one on Amazon. Bye, guys.